Hi and welcome to Evertiq Play. We're here at Electronica 2012 with Csaba Horváth from Videoton. How are you today, sir?
Well, thanks very much. The fair is started, so it's already the first day and it's quite exciting. A lot of visitors already on the first day, so I'm happy to be here and also to talk to you.
Considering Videoton's recent acquisitions, is there any plans to venture further out into the Eastern European market?
Well, we made 2 acquisitions in the last 2 years, and it was part of our strategy on the one hand to make acquisitions for growth, and partly we concentrated also on organic growth. And at the moment we don't really have concrete plans to further acquisitions in the region, in Hungary or in Central Eastern Europe. However, if there is any opportunity, an interesting opportunity, definitely we will investigate and we will decide for acquisition or for not an acquisition. At the moment we concentrate really on our organic growth, so we do a lot of investments and we have a lot of new customers instead of making acquisitions in our region.
Could you give us some insight in future investments?
Well, investments, we continue a plan, 3 years plan for investments. At Videoton we don't really have a very accurate exact plans what to invest and how much to invest in each year. We are also in this sense quite flexible, so we are very strong financially. We have a lot of money as a result of our profitable operation, so it means that we are able to manage investments and new projects, and according to the needs of the concrete projects or concrete new businesses, we can invest in new capacities and in new technologies, as we have done in the last couple of years, also in the last 2 years, where we invested a huge amount of money in new capacities and new technologies in all of our technological areas, core technologies, like we purchased 8 NXT SMT lines in electronics. Now we are going to make some additional investments in special technologies like selective soldering and varnishing. Then we will invest now in fiber laser in the stamping area. We have invested a lot of new equipment in plastic injection molding and brand new versions, electrical equipment instead of the mechanical or pneumatic equipment, and also in machining. We purchased a very nice high-tech 5-axis machining center this year, and we definitely will continue this if we need capacity or if we need any new process, any new technology, depending on the customer requirements.
Is there any particular market that you feel more strongly for?
Yeah, it's interesting that we are very much involved in automotive. So within the EMS industry, Videoton is one of the few companies who are focusing on automotive, and we have a separated, dedicated operation for automotive. And this is a big part of our business with close to 90 million euro. And this is growing, although on the market the trend is at the moment not really the growth. But the strongest, the highest growth rate we have in the industrial sector, where we have a lot of new customers, a lot of new market segments. So this is one specific area where we want to concentrate on also in the future. However, we also determined to enter new markets like medical, healthcare, and LED applications, or all kind of market segments where energy saving and new solutions for the energy environment and the household is subject to investments and new products.
And within the automotive market, what separates you from your competitors?
I think the big separation is maybe on the one hand that automotive is not only a smaller or bigger part of our EMS business, but we have definitely a separated, dedicated operation for that. So we completely separated it from the non-automotive, mainly industrial operation. So it means that this company is maybe rather an automotive electronics company than a standard normal EMS company. And we do this business for almost 20 years now, and we are really fully specialized and experienced in this type of environment and this type of market. That's one thing. The other is that based on the vertical integration of Videoton, where we make a lot of mechanical parts, plastics, stampings and machine parts, we can provide not only the PCBA solution to customers, but more complex modules and assemblies using our own internal supply chain of mechanical parts. So this is also a differentiation from some other competitors or EMS companies.